Alright, so this is my 97 Cummins. It's got a funny jake brake sound when you put a load on the engine. Start it up and idle. You can hear it sounds kind of normal. Then I'll put a load on it. That's about it.